Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check your Singapore visa status using your passport number, step by step, updated for 2025. Whether you've recently applied for a visa or just want to confirm your application details, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. First is open your web browser and search for Mommy Services. Click the first link you will see. Scroll down and click the Check Work Pass and Application Status. Next is click Start. Now in here put your birthday but don't use slash. Select the passport number. After a moment you'll see your application result. If it says valid, that means your application has been approved. And that's how you can easily check your Singapore visa status using your passport number in just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions or other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.